Vitamin hot air welder, SWT WP2. Application of polymer hot air welding machine. Roofing PVC TPO CPE EPDM welding. Laying the SPS membrane ahead of time. Overlap with 8 cm. Turn on the main power switch. Set the temperature to 550 degrees Celsius. Wait for the temperature to reach the set temperature. Set the speed to 2.5 meters per minute. Insert the welding nozzle into membrane, and the machine will weld automatically. After welding, the welding nozzle is returned to the original position, and the machine stops running automatically. Set the temperature back to 0. Set the speed to 0. Turn off the power.